Hey buddy, so I just want to show you our basic bricks. This one has a $10,000 capacity. It's not that big. This is a machine finish, so no extra work has gone into polishing this. This is also a 10,000 capacity. This one is a little bit wider here than these are. The inside of this is a 1/2 inch. This one's a 1/4 here and a 1/4 here. This one has a 1/2 inch on one side, if that makes sense. Here is a 10,000 capacity brick. This is a new style we're making, so it's quite a bit larger. Each of these pieces is 1 inch thick. This is got a 1/2 inch cutout. This is designed for cash. That's a little finger groove, so you can slip your finger in there to get the money out. We have many variations of this. We have bolts on top. We also do the same one with bolts on bottom, so you can't see the bolts. This one has a $25,000 capacity. It's a little bit bigger. This one's much larger. There's 2 pieces to this. This has a $100,000 capacity. This one's very large, very heavy. It takes very large bolts. I think I have one here. So these are the bolts for this. This is the other half. This is a 50K brick. Oh, that's got a lid on it, or it's bolted together. This is what's called a skinny brick, so this is narrower, but has the same capacity. This one holds 25,000. What else do we have over here? I'm looking for stuff that's unbolted already. So these are both $50,000 capacities. This is as well, this is a good comparison. So this is what we call a skinny brick. This is a standard brick. 50,000 capacity. So each 10,000 is a 1/2 inch. So that's 2.5 inches. This is the same capacity, but a skinnier model. This one next to it's 25,000. So I just want you to see a couple different options. Somewhere I have some 70,000. Actually, I have one up front, I think. Oh no, I have a bunch over here. Sorry, I have a lot of bricks in here. I think this one holds 75,000. Yes, this one holds 75,000. So it's a 1/2 inch per 10,000, like I said. So now that you've seen this video, kind of give me an idea of what you like. And it might be best to just make you something from scratch. Let me know. This one holds coins too. This one's pretty cool. Actually, that one's not clean yet. I'm not gonna touch it. That's probably one of my favorite designs of Mercedes. The Corvette came out really nice also. So let me know what you think.